PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Oh, what is ping pong? The line in ping pong is called an extension line. What is an extension line? If I serve with spin or no spin, does it go straight? Then its extension line is a straight line, right? Okay, when I serve to the left side, oh, its extension line is an outside curve to the left, right? Then what about when I serve with a hook?
Oh, it is an outward curve turning to the right. So you need to learn to summarize the pattern. What if they serve that kind?
Ah, another one. Similar to the hook shot. Right. The outer curve to the right. What about his backhand serve? Isn't it the same? It still curves outward, to the right. So you can't just judge based on the landing point. Besides the first bounce, you need to follow the ball's extended line from the first bounce.
So is table tennis like this? The landing point then continues along the extension. Right? Okay, let's go again.
Right, you see, I serve to the middle, but you on the left half, correct?
I served to the middle, and you moved to the right side, didn't you? Beautiful.
Including the swing and rotation. Following the swing is easier. Again, follow the swing, just borrow a bit of your force, and it's there.
This is easy. It's a bit challenging to not let you keep it straight.
One more time.
This is quite difficult too. So it's relative. You can handle both sides, right? Both sides are fine. But if you're a beginner, you follow along. As a beginner, usually it doesn't turn like this. What do you do when it stands vertically? Okay, it extends, and you follow along. You turn like this, I walk like this, right? The swing is also follow along. Press.
Very easy, right? This is more beginner level, so it's easier to control when you're just starting. All right, if it's a bit more difficult...
This is a bit shocking. Yes. Okay, need to rotate.
This is a bit more difficult. Why? You have to exert force yourself, offset your rotation, and also do what? After exerting force, you need to finally release this force. Because it's short, you need to prevent it from popping up and also from going out, right? As for the long one, it's relatively easier as long as you can apply force. Okay, then it's simple. I position it, use force, and it will just smoothly continue, right?
This is following the rotating pendulum, right? There's another kind.
This is counter to the rotating pendulum.
Do you know why? I follow the swing. I'm trying to press with force. It's like borrowing strength. I go against the swing, I have to use my own force. I need to counteract your rotation.
Try it. Come on. You'll see. Following the swing feels lighter.
Oh, it's soft.
Isn't it? Look again.
When I go against the swing, isn't it clearly more effort to lift than with the swing?
Using a lot of force, but you see, when I go with the rotation, I can't use force randomly.
Right? That's enough. When following this rotation, tap to finish.
Usually, why would you turn against what's normal? It's possible to reverse it. Can you even reverse it? You see, usually there are more obvious ways.
This is in the same direction, Look, you walk this way, I move along with you. Continue. Add more force, do another one in reverse. Is it clearly against the direction?
Feels a bit uncontrollable.
From here, you go here. Right. Isn't this going against it? I'm going against you.
This is against the flow.
This is following.
Do another one.
This is a bit more difficult. This way is definitely easier.
You know, I can't get good quality if I rush it. If I carefully select, the quality doesn't come out.
What's the point? It's like feeding the ball to someone. I can't get quality out of it. I don't want to be wrong. I trust myself to push it out.
Is it that at the end of his run, because you delivered a tricky ball, I pushed along with your spin? Did it squeeze into an awkward spot on the court? Right? This ball is awkward and floats, doesn't it? It's not quite standard. And I think when playing, either I have quality and can pose a threat to the opponent, or I annoy you.
Your quality didn't come out. And you're asking for a super heavy ball. You're basically feeding the opponent, right? I understand it now. I want to repeatedly discuss speed, if you feel you can't speed it up. I basically gave instructions like this, pushing it out along the spin. You're awkward, you need to adjust a bit. Once you adjust, as soon as you do this move, I know how to proceed.
Otherwise, break through with speed. But what did you end up doing? Reluctantly hit it, no speed. The opponent is very comfortable receiving it.
Right? I think the speed in playing is very important. Either show quality or make others feel uncomfortable.
Beautiful. This is way more unsettling than your average strength.
Are you surface stream? Oh, so when playing you need to be adaptable? Anyway, your technique stops either suddenly or annoyingly.
Beautiful. That's good, right? This is deep. During a match, don't always blindly aim to place the ball, unless you are very decisive. If you are not that decisive when placing, it's better not to place. If you place it dramatically but partially, what should you do? Press your opponent. The worst is to place it neither short nor long, creating an opportunity for the opponent to break through and take advantage of you.
Beautiful. Right. And carefully and decisively attack.
You didn't dare to move your upper body in. You just use your hands to wave. You're waving your hands around, even though you tried. You're just...
Short? Why short? I use my body, bang, to press the ball and release step force, right?
How could it not be short? You controlled it, right? You went all the way up there, and you still managed this. Yes. Wow. This hand is too wide.
Mislead, mislead, mislead. I don't know how I ended up here.
It's very short. You went for the block. You kind of blocked, right?
Bodies.
Nice. What's wrong with this person?
The most mistaken athlete.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.